nose is dripping. And like it's all done. It's gone everywhere. I need to sneeze. One nose. Legs are covered. Face is wet. Nose is dripping. Never been so ill. I need to rub my nose, rub it off. Again and again. I need to sneeze again. I really need to sneeze. It's non-stop. Nose like that. Been sneezing and dripping and snotting all day long. I've got to get on the train tomorrow if I'm worse than this. I'm going to sneeze on everyone. So wet and the spray is landing everywhere. Nose. Bless me. Oh. So loud, they're so wet. They're so harsh. Oh, my nose. I need to rub my nose. My nose. So itchy. I need to rub it. So my work colleague has been like this for a week. Sneezing over everything and everyone. Half the office is sick. Now I'm sick. Now I'm going to be sneezing everyone. Pick up cold so easy. My sneezes are so massive. A wet spray going everywhere.